Hey y'all, this is Quita again, and I'm trying a little something different with my nails. I'm putting on some short ones, y'all. Even before COVID, when I was going to the shop all the time, dropping $90 to $100 to get your manicure, pedicure, you know, my own nails were long. I just put acrylic on the top to keep them from breaking. So I really have not had short nails, but we're gonna try these cute and fun nails. Aren't these the cutest things? So, this is what they're looking like. Okay, isn't that cute? So I am going to size up my nails and be right back. Okay, got my mousse set. I got my iced coffee. I got my white gardenia candle going so it smells good in here. I have sized up my short nails and we gonna get started, y'all. I've already dried out my hands and my nails with alcohol, so we're going to start. So I put it on both. So I put it on both the nail and just sort of make sure it is everywhere, not too thick, and on my nail as well as the press on. And we go down cuticle first and press. And I hold it initially, might get some spillage, but I do not want that white bubble to be there, which I see. That's one good thing about the clear nails. Let me wipe this off. See that bubble? I gotta press that out, y'all. So as I press hard down on this nail, I can see the bubble disappearing. And it's adhering to the press on is adhering to my actual nail bed. So your press on really depends on your press game. Okay, and I take the orange stick and I roll. It's hard to do the thumb, y'all. I press it from the middle out. Holding it down, pressing. Got some on the top there, which I will have to buff out and more likely put some gel on top so it still stays shiny, because I want these shiny. Ooh, that was a little bit of work, y'all. I think it's time for a coffee break. You see my gold digger cup? Not gold digger, but gold digger. I'm holding this down. There's a lot of surface. I'm still pressing, y'all. Okay. Now let's get to the next one. Just gonna roughen it a bit. OMG. I got glue everywhere. My hands were sticking together. I'm gonna tell you, I'm right-handed, so using my left hand to put the right hand nails on. Do you see? I got glue all over my hands. I've never had the skin of my fingers stick together from glue whenever I put press-on nails on. I've never had that problem before. My hands were sticking, the skin on my fingers were sticking to the nail. It's everywhere. Now I gotta take alcohol and try to get some of this off and see what we really end up with. I might add a little bling. Your girl likes some bling. I like how they look, but the problem is, with a longer nail, you've got that longer tip to help you place it and lay it down. Here, you barely got anything to hold on to place the nail down, which is why I have glue everywhere. This is where we are right now after I got both sets of nails on and am covered with glue. I got enough glue on my fingers to put a whole nother set on. So, I will be back with a final look. Okay, I am back, and I said I was going to do a little extra with the bling. So, I am going to take this Diamond Dazzle and put it on the nails that just have the French tip. I don't know if I was in camera for that. I'm just cleaning up a little bit. So here's what the nail looks like. Okay, so we see that one. And we just have one more. We got our no wipe top coat waiting in the wings. Just got a little bit of glue in that top that I want to try to be careful with and use. But let me get some of these out here. What is so wonderful about this no white top coat? You put it on after your time under the lamp. You do not have to do anything. You don't have to get no alcohol, wipe it off, cover it with cuticle oil. It is done and shiny and beautiful. We are all cleaned up. So I have my Blossom scented cuticle oil here, but we are done now. I need to lotion my hands, but we are going to just get our cuticle oil around, which smells beautiful. It helps the experience of doing your nails and making it kind of a me time thing. Not just out of necessity, but something that you can relax with. That's why initially I had my white gardenia candle going, my coffee. This is nice. I feel good. They look good. I love that no wipe top coat. Let me show it to you again. Because when you pull your hands out from under the lamp, the UV LED lamp, they are ready to go. You don't have to worry about them. And I can just moisturize. Put some of that moisture back that was taken out with all that alcohol and polish remover, etc. Glue. All the glues come off my hands now, y'all. Okay, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share it, and thank you for spending your time with me. I appreciate it. And have a great rest of your day, evening, weekend, wherever you are when you watch this. Bye-bye now.